OMG! We're here! Look at the ferns! Oh my gosh, it looks so different. There are ferns everywhere. Shabin! My goodness, you guys. It looks so different here since the last time we were here. It was like, I guess, maybe a little over a month ago. Everything is so green, and the ferns are growing. We kind of got a huge mess. We're gonna have to do some major weed eating. There's the fire pit. And all the mulch we laid has ferns coming out of it. It is so incredibly beautiful here. And so thick, you can hardly see Grandpa's bunkhouse over there. So beautiful. So happy to be back. And the inside looks the same as we left it.
I do? I look exactly the same.
You look exactly the same, Jason. So good to be back. Gonna spend 7 to 10 days here and just live life. It's gonna be awesome. So we have been at the Shabin for an hour, and first things first, we got to handle this mosquito problem because I think Minnesota State bird is a mosquito, and they're everywhere, and it's awful. So because we don't have a screened in deck porch area yet, I'll show you what we did. Boom. Screen porch. Hi, Jason.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm like a little caged bird. You want me to sing?
Yes.
I'm not really.
Oh. It's hot.
Did you mention that it's 99 degrees?
It's also 99 degrees, which is crazy for where we're at. And the mosquitoes, my gosh.
That's a couple things that you can't relay into a YouTube video. The heat, the bugs, and the smell.
You know what? It actually smells amazing out here if we stay away from each other. So for now, for this trip, that is our new screen porch. Even after we build a screened in deck off the Shabin, I think that this tent will come in handy, and maybe we'll set it up like somewhere else on the property, because I am telling you what, the mosquitoes, but it is, you know, it's like 7 o'clock, so that's about the time they come out and swarm you.
It's 8 o'clock.
Oh, it's 8 o'clock. Psh, maybe we've been here longer than I thought, but anyway, there it is, screened in tent, first things first. No! Don't cut that! No, 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 no! No! Why? That's a... That's it. I'm really sad because I don't like when Jason cuts any trees down here. And he just whacked this tree down. I thought we had a conversation about that.
You said trees.
That you cut a tree down.
That wasn't a tree.
That is a
sapling.
That is a tree,
That's
Jason.
A sapling.
Okay. Why?
Because this is in the way. People have to be able to walk through here.
So we're making another path.
You need to start more rock farming.
Ping.
I need a trail through here.
All right. I mean, I guess I can agree with that, but I'm a little sad.
This isn't a tree. This is like a... Wasn't even a maple. This wasn't even a maple or anything.
That's a maple tree.
It looks different than that.
Okay, well, all right. I suppose he's correct. We have to put another path through here to get over to here.
You can wait till tomorrow, though.
Oh, before I start rock farming?
Yeah.
All right. I've got help this time.
She's really cooling down. It's probably, I mean...
Oh, it's still a hot mess here as mosquitoes land all over me.
It's only 86 now.
Oh, more projects. We need another path to get around the tent because both of our other paths lead right to the tent, and then you have to unzip the tent and then unzip the tent again to get here. And this path will lead us around the tent to get to here. We're just out for an evening stroll. What you got?
Skeeters.
Yeah.
Now, so what's interesting about our property is the back corner. I don't know if you can see this, but on the back corner, there's a power line clear cut.
Yep.
And I believe that this clear cut acts as like a natural highway to critters and deer, bear, wolves, what have you. But we find a lot of interesting tracks. You can see here where they follow this power line, right? Mm-hmm. And here's a neat track. Now this is a little bitty one, a little bit bigger than, a little bit bigger than Herman. This is a...
Just a little. Herman's foot's like the size of the toe there.
So, yeah, this is like a, I would consider this to probably be a cub. And you can see this one's a little bit bigger. This one might be mommy.
Yeah, it's pretty darn cool.
If I had to guess, it'd probably be a sow and a cub came out of here. This one here is much bigger than the other. Look at how tiny this one is.
That one's pretty cute. It's tiny, but look at Herman's foot next to it. Like, it's like the size of his face still.
Yeah. Can you smell him? Herman, do you smell
not a bear's.
him? Yeah. Anyway, here's as though they just, it's June and I'm not for certain, but we did see some boar tracks down the way there. They were much bigger. I think in June they rut. So I think the boars are out cruising around looking for sows. And I don't know how it correlates with a sow that already has a cub. If a boar will then try and kill the cub so the sow goes back into estrus.
Hope not. But Mother Nature,
I'm not sure. But I do know we've seen at least 4 sets of bear tracks.
Yeah.
Sow, cub, boar. So
it's kind of cool.
Yeah. It's exciting.
Bears are awesome.
Yeah, I love them.
I do too.
One of my favorites.
Herman? Herman, do you like the bears? Yes. Yes, I like the bears. It's so amazing. So we're back here. We took a walk from the road and well, you see Grandpa's bunkhouse, but you can't hardly even see the Shabin until you round the corner here. My gosh, I just love it. Hi, Herman. Herman. We're out for one of our walks.
You'll come across a lot of reptiles in the outback here. Here we've come across one of the most venomous snakes in North America.
Well,
it's the blue racer. Look at him go.
oh boy.
Okay, it really was just a garter snake, but wasn't it pretty?
Yep. Long walks and drinking beer. It really doesn't get much better than this, really. It doesn't. It's a good life. This morning we are planting some apple trees. 4 of them. We got 1 done and 3 more to go. We're getting water for them in buckets out of the ditch way over there. It's amazing conditions to dig in.
Oh yeah.
The first tree, he found all these little boulders and rocks. How many you got from this one? Oh. Fun.
I don't like rock farming like my wife does.
Ping. It's hot.
Already.
Yep. It's only 10 o'clock. And it's only 10 in the morning.
I want to get these planted and find a lake.
Yep. I think that's the plan for today. Plant 4 trees, water them, and then go water ourselves in a lake somewhere. Shouldn't be too hard to find one. We are in Minnesota. All right, so here is the trail I walk down to get my buckets of water. I'll show you this beauty of a pond. No, it's really just a ditch full of water. It's kind of a hike back here. Sure is pretty though. All right, there it is. I don't know if you want to call this a pond. It's roundish, but it's not very big. But it works perfect for watering trees. And a lot of little frogs live here. All right, I'm gonna get me some buckets of water. All right, now I just gotta hike them back. Well, we found an amazing beach to lay on and soak up the sun, and this humongous, beautiful lake to enjoy. Jason's already been in it, as you can see. It's gonna be a great day to relax. And there's the beautiful lake. So beautiful. Hey guys, I'm back for 2 seconds just to ask you a huge favor. Will you please subscribe to our channel if you enjoy our videos? It would help us. It helps us a lot to grow the channel and the motivation to keep making videos. So yeah, we would love you to subscribe to our channel and maybe like this video if you liked it and leave your comments below. We'd love to answer your questions, and yeah, that's about all I got. Please subscribe. Thanks.